Hello and welcome to our introductory lesson in learning Kikongo. Before starting our Kikongo course, we propose to devote 2 whole chapters to the knowledge of the Bakongo. The first chapter will deal with Kikongo in the Congo-speaking area. The second chapter will talk about the Empire of Kongo Dia and Totla. It is only in the third chapter that we will approach our learning of Kikongo itself. You are ready. So let's go. Kikongo or Congo is a so-called Bantu language spoken by the Kongo or Bakongo people living in northern Angola and in the enclave of Cabinda, in the Democratic Republic of Congo, in the provinces of Congo Central, Kinshasa, and Bandundu, throughout the southern half of the Republic of Congo and southern Gabon. The Kikongo designation must be taken as that of a linguistic group of a mother tongue covering several declensions according to the geographical areas resulting from the former Kongo Diet and Totla Empire. Indeed, it is more accurate to refer to the Congo H10 linguistic group as Kikongo, as compiled by Johnny Philip Maho in 2009 in the online version of the new updated Guthrie list.
Kongo Bembe, Kongo Boende, Kongo Dondo, Kongo Fiot, Kongo Hangala, Kongo Kamba, Kongo Kako, Kongo Kenge, Kongo Guni, Kongo Lati Olari, Kongo Manyanga, Kongo Mazinga, Kongo Mbata, Kongo Mboga, Kongo Mboma, Kongo Ndibu, Kongo Ndingi, Kongo Ndinzi, Kongo Nkanu, Kongo Ntandu, Kongo Santu, Kongo Sonde, Kongo Songo, Kongo Sundi, Kongo Yombe, Kongo Vili, Kongo Zombo, Kongo Teke.
The Kikongo is not to be confused with the Maunakau Tauba, which is improperly designated by Kikongo. This is how the Maunakau Tauba is often also called State Kikongo or Kikongo Yaleta. But this Kikongo Yaleta is in no way structuring for the Congo linguistic group, and consequently the mother tongue which bears this linguistic family. Munakutuba or Kituba, one of the national languages of the Republic of Congo and the Democratic Republic of Congo, is a Kikongo and vehicular Creole, understandable by speakers of the various variants of pure Kikongo. In the Democratic Republic of Congo, the Constitution specifies that Kikongo is one of the 4 national languages, but in reality, the Constitution refers to a Creole based on Kikongo, namely Kikongo Yaleta. Leta is here the derivative of the French state. Kituba or Kikongo Yaleta is a language used in the administration of the provinces of Congo Central, Kongo, and Kwilu, as well as a vehicular language in many urban centers, notably in Kikwit, Bandundu, Matadi, Boma, and Muanda. It was an Italian Capuchin, Brother Bonaventura da Sardegna, who was the first to write a Kikongo grammar during his mission to the Kingdom of Congo around 1645. Jacinto da Vetraler wrote a book on Kikongo grammar in 1659. Kikongo belongs to the group of so-called Bantu languages. In 1948, Malcolm Guthrie classified these African languages by dividing them into areas noted from A to S. This classification places Kikongo in the H10 language group. The other languages of the group are Bembe, H11, Vili, H12, Kikuni, H13, Ndingi, H14, and Mboka, H15-14. The classification of Baston, Coupes, and Man, known as of Tervuren, are more recent and are more precise on the names of the Congo languages. They are now grouped under the following tree structure: Core Language Kikongo H16, Southern Kikongo H16A, Central Kikongo H16B, Yam H16C, Fiot H16D, Western Kikongo H16D, Biwend H16E, Lardi H16F, Eastern Kikongo H16G, Southeastern Kikongo H16H. Each variant of Kikongo has evolved in its own way, and intercomprehensibility is not completely assured between all variants of Kikongo. For example, Kivli will be better understood by a speaker of Kiam or Woyo than by a speaker of Kikongo or Kisalongo. Kamaninga is better understood by a Talati, Kalati, Kalari, or Kintandu speaker than by a Kivli or Woyo speaker. The following Kongo languages are spoken in the following areas: Southern Congo-Brazzaville, Kikongo, Yam, Vili, Ladi, Nsundi, etc., and Kituba are spoken in the regions of Koualou, Nairi, Bounza, Lekumu, south of Brazzaville, Pointe Noire, the Kikongo, Ladi, Congo Boko, etc., in the Pool region, the southwest of Congo-Kinshasa, Kikongo, Yam, Ntandu, Ndibu, Manyanga, etc., and Kikongo-Yaleta are spoken in the provinces of Congo Central, part of the city province of Kinshasa and Bandundu. Kikongo-Yaleta is spoken in the provinces of Kwilu, Kwengo, Mayandam, the extreme west of Kasai, northern Angola, Kikongo, Kisakongo, Zombo, Ibinda, etc., is spoken in the provinces of Cabinda, Uige, Zaire, the north of the provinces of Bengo and Kiwanja Nord, the south coast of Gabon. Kikongo Vili is spoken in the provinces of Nyanga and Ngauni. Kikongo is written with the Latin alphabet, but is also written in Mandam. For the Latin alphabet, different spellings are used in several publications and by the population, despite a standardized spelling in each country where it is spoken. The standardized alphabet of Angola and that of Congo-Kinshasa, sharing the rules S applying to Kikongo except for the notation of syllabic nasals. In Congo-Brazzaville, Monukau-Tuba has a proposed standardized alphabet. This series of lessons is only based on learning Kikongo. For those who want to learn to write in Mandam, we invite you to follow us and give us your suggestions. However, to already have an idea of this Mandam writing, visit our website. Our first chapter is now completed. We hope that you now know what Kikongo is. We invite you to follow us to the second chapter of our introduction to learning Kikongo. You are ready. So let's go.